Okay, so welcome back. This is part two of our Illustrator Locator series. And now we're back in Illustrator. And the first thing to do is to kind of introduce you to the template itself. So this is a kind of a holdover from the world of print, but the method still makes a lot of sense. What this is a graphics template. And the graphic template contains everything that you would need in order to quickly build all sorts of graphics, including locators, while maintaining pretty solid consistency and appearance. So if you look at how it's built, probably the first thing we would want to look at are layers. So up here in the layers panel, you can see that we have the template components, right? We also have our guide layer, and that's locked, as you see. And then we have a layer set up for our map source, and we'll get to that in just a second. And so this may be your first experience working in layers, and I'll try to go slowly with that. So then over here on our template components layers, let's take a look at what else is on here. You have all of these little bits and pieces that you can use to help build your graphics. Also, built into the template are all sorts of different styles. Styles are critical for maintaining consistency. Here we have graphic styles that can be applied to just about anything you draw, and they all go with like land with lines, no lines, parks, lakes, rivers, water base, so on and so forth. There's really a visual style or a graphic style for just about anything you would want to draw. We also have character styles for everything in with text that we would want to do in a graphic, in an infographic. We have a style over here for it, so you don't have to kind of reinvent the wheel every time you do that. And to a lesser degree, because we don't deal with paragraphs too much, we have some paragraph styles in here as well. This is a convenient setup I have right now where we focus on layers and styles in our big sort of windows here. And then we have a nice little sort of toolbar display for all sorts of other things that we might need. I just find that that's kind of helpful. So that's your basic orientation to the template. And our next step will be importing your screen capture or screen grab onto the template and getting it to the right scale. All right, so we'll see you in a bit.